So guys, I'm super excited because we got the mx350 dirt rocket razor dirt bike. So as you can see, razor razor mx350, the number 5. It has the charging cord. You can see the on and off button, the charging cord again because there was no light, and on and off button. And when it's on, it lights up. When it's off, it doesn't light up. So as you can see, we got the chain and stuff. It's a little dirty back here because I've been riding in mud and stuff. The back tire, the pegs, I forgot what that's called. Leave in the comments what this is because I forgot what it's called. So yeah guys, hope y'all have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out.